It's a disturbing trend in Louisville, a shooting the result of domestic violence. It sends another victim to the hospital.
Prosecutors are working to protect victims by keeping offenders behind bars. New at 11, Gladys Bautista explains the challenges they face.
Gun violence, it's not just happening out on the street, it's happening in our homes.
In our homes, where many should feel the safest. Christy Foster is chief of the Special Victims Unit within the Commonwealth Attorney's Office. This unit sees domestic violence cases. In some years, they have more than others. But recently, Foster tells me the uptick is too sharp to ignore.
It's frustrating, but I think that we're trying to deal with it as best we can.
Foster says they really started seeing an increase after the start of the COVID-19 pandemic, but it was most notable in 2021 when the number of felony domestic violence cases they saw rose by 30%. Foster says it isn't uncommon for offenders to have a prior criminal history, and they're cognizant of that as they argue their cases.
If there are red flags in the history, whether it be previous protective orders, or even if there are just misdemeanor offenses, but let's say they're a series of assault for domestic violence cases, which on their face to some people, maybe that doesn't look serious, but when in fact it really is. So it's our job to put everything out on the table for the judge to consider in setting an appropriate bond.
On Monday morning, detectives were faced with another shooting linked to domestic violence. A woman was found shot in South Louisville on Southside Drive at New Cud Road.
Domestic violence relationships often involve cycles where there's a honeymoon phase and then things turn sour and then there's yet another honeymoon phase. So just the nature of those relationships in and of themselves, that can be a challenge.
A challenge that can often lead to victims recanting or deciding not to move forward. That's when Foster says the unit's close work with LMPD comes in.
To put together the best cases that we can to be able to go forward anyway and hold the perpetrators accountable.
Gladys Bautista, WOKY News.
So the woman shot today is expected to survive. There has been a rise in deadly domestic violence. Data from LMPD shows domestic violence accounts for 17% of all homicides in Louisville this year.